Hey guys, so in this video I'll be talking about something personal, something that I never thought I'd be talking about because when I was searching for information there was barely anything out there, and if even one person feels a little less scared after watching my video, then it's worth it. So back in November, I started feeling something weird in my breast. At first I thought it's normal and maybe I'm overthinking, but then it started hurting and then I realized that something's off. When I checked myself, I could feel small lumps and तब थोड़ी सी टेंशन हो गई थी and I told my mom कि now we have to go to doctor क्योंकि I don't know क्या हो रहा है. And like everyone would, I turned to Google hoping to find answers, but there was barely anything. Mostly medical terms but no real life experiences. जैसे topic exist ही नहीं करता. But then I searched on YouTube and there I found a girl who have had a similar experience, and that gave me some reassurance about what is happening. But why aren't more people talking about it? I don't know. Then I went to a gynecologist and she did my physical examination. Also, she suggested for a mammography. In case you don't know what mammography is, I'll put a picture here. I remember my mom telling her that she's so young, she won't be able to endure the pain of mammography, and she requested the doctor कि instead हम sonography करवा लेते हैं. तो बट माई मॉम वाज लाइक कि नहीं, पहले सोनोग्राफी करवा लेते हैं, अगर समझ में नहीं आएगा, अगर क्लैरिटी नहीं मिलेगी देन विल गो फॉर मेमोग्राफी. बिकॉज मेरी मॉम का एक्चुअली हो चुका था मेमोग्राफी, तो शी नोज कि कितना पेन होता है एंड इट्स अ वेरी पेनफुल प्रोसेस. And thankfully she agreed. I went to a lab and we did sonography, and then the results came and I had 16 to 18 small and big lumps inside my breast. मतलब एक पूरी कॉलोनी बस चुकी थी वहां पे. बिकॉज मैं जब चेक करी थी मुझे एक या दो फील हो रहे थे, एंड ड्यूरिंग द फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन ऑल्सो उनको भी एक थोड़ा बड़ा था तो वो फील हो रहा था सिर्फ. बट आफ्टर दिस सोनोग्राफी थिंग देन केम द नेक्स्ट बिग क्वेश्चन, any history of cancer? And unfortunately, the answer was yes. So these fibroadenomas are tumors. Reason why she suggested us mammography is उससे clarity मिल जाती कि is it cancerous or non-cancerous. बस सोनोग्राफी से आपको सिर्फ lumps का पता चलता है, वो आपको cancerous है कि नहीं है वो नहीं बताते हैं. So since there was a history of cancer in my family, we again went to the gynec and we told them कि ऐसा reports आया है, and we showed her the reports, and she said that these fibroadenomas are non-cancerous most of the times. So luckily it was non-cancerous, but they still need treatment. सो अगर वो लम्स बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े हो जाते हैं तो सर्जरी लगती है. लाइक मेरे मॉम के केस में उनका सर्जरी हुई है. So I was put on medications, and let me tell you, the side effects are insane. My skin is breaking out like worse than ever. My hair is falling so much. Energy levels all drained. And the worst part is I got my period continuously for an entire month. And eventually I had to stop taking one medicine out of three that was prescribed to me. I'm also taking homeopathy medicines, and it's going to take around 8 to 10 months to recover completely. But since they're called tumors, तो ये फ्यूचर में दोबारा भी हो सकती है, तो उसका परमानेंट सोल्यूशन एक्चुअली कुछ होता नहीं है. इवन आफ्टर सर्जरी मेरी मॉम को आते रहते थे, बट वो मेडिकेशन से फिर डिसॉल्व हो जाते हैं. इट्स अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस, एंड इन माई रिसेंट वीडियोज ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम यू ऑल कैन सी दैट मेरी आंखें स्वेल हो जाती थी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस medicines. So I guess as women we are so used to ignoring our pain. We think शायद normal है because periods और इन सब की वजह से हम बहुत used to होते हैं इन pains को लेके. And we think कि maybe it will go away. But our bodies are always speaking to us and we just have to listen. Pain is not normal. Discomfort is not normal. So if something doesn't feel right, don't brush it off. जितना जल्दी पता चले उतना बेहतर होता है. And more than that, we need to talk about these things, because when we don't it makes other people feel like they're alone, जबकि ये चीज बहुत common है. I was scared, my family was scared, but now I'm here, I'm healing, and I know I'll be better. And if you are going through something similar, so will you. So just take care of yourself and listen to your body and never get afraid to ask for help.